All right, so let's get it up in the air and continue, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, I just about got everything out. Like I say, I can't do a tutorial on how to remove the trans, but I can go through a lot of quick things with you. All you got to do, guys, is remove the suspension that's attached to the transmission, right? So here's all the axles, the engine supports, the cradle bracket, things like that. Axles on both sides, okay? So right now I got everything loose. The only thing holding this transmission up is those two bolts I mentioned up top. I'm gonna reach my arm up there and unhook those. And I got one bolt holding right here and one bolt holding on the top. All these bell housing bolts are off. So when I, even this mount, it's not connected to the transmission. So, and I have, don't forget the torque converter bolts, the flywheel. This is what we're chasing. You hear that? Do y'all hear that? Well, I'm gonna show you what it looked like as soon as I drop this trans. All right, let's get this trans out, baby. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. What y'all see? Got the trans out. I actually need to take the bolts out, but look. You hear that? Look. Yes, that is not supposed to do that, guys. Alright, now, who was that? I think that was Easy Does It. Was a flywheel attached to the block. The flywheel flex plate, whichever you want to call it, is attached to the crankshaft. So as the crankshaft rotating, considering the engine is running, this flywheel is running. Now, why is this flywheel needed? A couple things. Here's the starter. The starter's job is armature is to come out, engage this flywheel, and spin it over in hopes of the car cranking. Once the ignition system pick up the cranking, it should catch and the car start up. The way that happens is there's a crank sensor somewhere on here. This crank sensor monitors a gear on the crankshaft. Okay, some crank sensors monitor the teeth on the flywheel. This is not that case. But yeah, this is bolted to the crankshaft, which is in turn, these 4 bolts here, bolted to the transmission torque converter. All right, so that's how power is transferred from the engine to the transmission. Okay, once the torque converter is spinning, depending on a lot of factors that will engage gears and things like that, and you get to go. What's the point in running if you can't go, right? Yeah, they go hand in hand. All right, so this is broken. You're not supposed to do that. That's why I didn't want it to appear that I was camera trick. So let me get these bolts off so we can look even further. I'm gonna show y'all what actually broke. All right, hold tight. Alrighty, guys, do y'all see that? Okay, so this is the noise you was hearing on startup. Remember you heard a noise on startup? Look at that. It was just literally walking, and you hear a noise while it was running. So if you hear that clanking noise when you first started, I know I've seen guys replace the starter for that. It's just a matter of diagnosing it, guys. I don't know how you can prevent from not letting it happen. Well, I'll tell you one way. You can watch this video and you can see that there may be other things you need to check, because I'm not going to sit here and lie. When I first ran across this problem, it got a new starter. Okay, so technically, realistically, I don't want you guys to make the same mistake that I made, because it could damage your image, right? Yes, these are image killing mistakes right here, guys. Let me take this all the way out. Look at that. Wow. Yes, and guys, while you're in here, go ahead and inspect this rear main seal. All right, now I do have oil leaks, but it's coming from the oil filter adapter housing. Look at this freaking piece of junk flywheel. Only this was bolted to the torque converter, and I mean the crankshaft. This was bolted to the crankshaft. These was bolted to the torque converter. All right, now that we got that out the way, where's my new baby? Here she is. All right, no sense wasting time. We might as well get this on. Remember, guys, dowel pins. All right, my new flywheel. Throw this piece of junk in the trash. Like I said earlier, guys, don't forget to go ahead. Where's those dowel pins? Just so you know what I'm talking about. Here's one. All they're designed to do is to make the block and the transmission together, align it, so to speak. Okay. Now, this flywheel, as far as getting it on wrong, you will have a sense of feel if it's on wrong. I mean, it can go on. Now, hole wise, it's only going to bolt up one way. Like, you can't get this wrong because this part is idiot proof. However, this part, which way it mates, can be a little technical to some people. So, but you will get a feel for if you got it on wrong, guys. Trust me. All right. So, let me get to work, guys. I have to put this on, put this transmission back in. I'm gonna try to finish this job today. I'm gonna go try to upsell this oil filter adapter housing, and that's all I have, man. So let me find my bolts. I need both of my hands, fellas. I'm sorry, but yeah, let's get to work, man. I appreciate you guys watching the videos. Remember, don't forget to watch the early part of the video where I showed the diagnosis. I carded it up front. I will put the link in the description as well, so you see what led me to this. Okay, I don't know what sense knowing this if you don't know what led me to this. These don't you know, out of the blue, it give off an indication that it's broken. It's not bad. You can call it bad, but it's physically broken. How that happened, we'll talk about that on the next video. For now, I gotta go, guys. That's all I have. Thanks for watching.